3 best crypto exchanges in Singapore. Choosing a crypto exchange in Singapore sounds simpler until 2 platforms look equally good and only one still feels right after your first few trades. That is where most people make the wrong choice. They compare the app or the first fee they see, but the real difference usually appears later when SGD funding, local regulation, and trading depth start to matter. And that is the loop to keep in mind until the end. The strongest exchange here is not just the one that feels easiest in the first minute. It is the one that still makes sense once you start browsing and actually start using it with real money, real transfers, and real trades. What actually makes an exchange worth it? For a broad Singapore audience, the smartest filter is local trust, SGD convenience, and long-term usability. That means asking whether the platform is properly licensed, whether funding and withdrawals feel smooth in Singapore dollars, and whether the exchange still feels useful once you want more than a simple buy button. The Monetary Authority of Singapore directory shows multiple licensed digital payment token providers, and major local comparisons keep focusing on fees, features, and ease of use for Singapore residents. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Number 3. CoinHako. CoinHako takes the third spot because it is one of the clearest answers for people who want a more local and beginner-friendly exchange. Mass lists Hako technology, trading as CoinHako as a major payment institution for digital payment token services, and CoinHako itself leans hard into being a Singapore-focused mass licensed platform. It also offers more than 100 digital assets, which is enough for most casual users without making the platform feel too overwhelming. What keeps CoinHako in the final 3 is how approachable it feels, but it stays at number 3 because once you start looking harder at fees and broader trading efficiency, the next 2 options usually feel stronger. Those posted fees are generally around 0.6% for spot trades and 0.5% for limit orders and recurring buys, which is clear but not the sharpest value in this group. Number 2. Independent Reserve. Independent Reserve moves into second because it feels stronger for people who want serious value without losing local convenience. The platform says it was the first crypto exchange licensed by MAS in Singapore, supports instant pay now and fast SGD deposits, and starts trading fees at 0.5%, falling as volume rises. That is what makes it more compelling the longer you look at it. It feels more efficient than a purely beginner first exchange, but still very Singapore friendly. It misses the top spot only because the best overall choice here does a slightly better job of combining local ease with broader crypto depth for the average user. Number 1. Coinbase. Coinbase takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best crypto exchange in Singapore is not just the one that feels safe or familiar. It is the one that still makes sense when you want easy SGD transfers, strong local setup, and room to grow without switching platforms too quickly. Coinbase Singapore has a major payment institution license from MAS, supports pay now and fast top-ups with 0 fees, works with SingPass, and says Singapore users can access more than 200 cryptocurrencies. That balance is what gives Coinbase the edge. It feels simple enough for a newer user, but still large and flexible enough that it does not feel like a platform you outgrow too fast. For a broad Singapore audience, that makes Coinbase the strongest all-around starting point, the exchange that still feels right later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Coinbase is the strongest all-around option, Independent Reserve is the one to watch for lower fee efficiency, and CoinHako still makes a lot of sense if your priority is a more local, beginner-friendly experience. The smartest move is not choosing the loudest brand. It is choosing the exchange with the right mix of regulation, SGD usability, and trading fit for how you actually plan to use crypto in Singapore. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.